Today I discuss about the topic is wavy curve method. Okay, what is the basic concept of wavy curve method? And another class, and next after that class is the location of the roots. Very useful for the quadratic equations, location of the roots. That's why today our topic is wavy curve method. How to find wavy curve method? Okay, domain and x belongs to what is the domain, find the domain, and two values and three values and four values, and divide and inequalities, whatever may be, you have find the wavy curve method is the better method. Okay, first okay, listen carefully. Wavy curve method, wavy curve. Wavy curve method. Okay, in this wavy curve method, first you learn first formulas. X minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0 means here x belongs to open interval alpha comma beta. Okay, next one, second one is x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0. This is the lies between x belongs to closed interval alpha comma closed interval beta. Okay, next another one is, third one is x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0. This is does not lies between alpha and beta, means does not lies between alpha and beta, means this is the alpha to minus infinity open interval, this is also open interval union, and beta to plus infinity open interval and open interval. Next fourth formula is x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 means this is does not lies between, this also does not lies between, r equal to, is there r equal to, means this is the closed interval alpha to minus infinity open interval union closed interval beta to plus infinity open interval. This is the x belongs to, this is the x belongs to, this is also x belongs to, this is also x belongs to. What is the curve? What is the number line? This is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. Okay, alpha comma beta, this is alpha, this is beta. Okay, two values. These are less than 0 means these are lies between. This is the whole circle. This is the whole circle, means not included to alpha comma beta, does not included to alpha comma beta. Next second case is this is the second case, this is the number line, this is minus infinity, this is the plus infinity. Second case is here, this is the alpha, this is the beta, this is the alpha and the beta. Here this case is included means this is the circle, included, this alpha comma beta also included, means here closed interval alpha and closed interval beta. Okay, next third case is this is the infinity plus infinity, this is minus infinity, this is the alpha, this is beta. Okay, beta to this part, next alpha to this one. This is the hollow circle. Hollow circle means this is not included, these are not included. Included means this is the formula, minus infinity to alpha and beta to plus infinity. This is the hollow circle. Next another one is these are, in this case alpha and beta not included, means open interval. Next in this case closed interval, alpha is closed interval and beta is closed interval. Here alpha, here beta. This is this is one part, this is also one part, this is the minus infinity, this is the plus infinity, this is the plus infinity, this part is this part is this is the closed circle, this is the closed circle, this is the open circle. The closed circle means alpha comma beta also included. Included means alpha closed interval and beta closed interval, and this is infinity always open interval, this is infinity always minus infinity always open interval. This is the functions formulas. Okay, in this case, okay, more than 2, how to find the x relation, less than and greater than, less than or equal and greater than or equal to. Okay, today I discuss about the wavy curve method. This is the basic formulas. Next, after that number line, I have taken more than 2 values. How to find the number line? How to find the number line for the wavy curve method? For the wavy curve method. Okay, question number 1. Question number 1. In this case, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than 0. Less than 0. How to find this one? Less than 0. What is the x belongs to value? Okay, in this case, these are equal to 0. This is a one linear polynomial. Not quadratic polynomial, they are not accepted here. Only linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means what is the x value? This is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is also equal to 0. Means here x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Take the number line. Take the number line. Here minus infinity, here plus infinity. Okay, what is the order? Increasing order, right? Here 1, here 2 and this is 3. Okay, you have start here onwards wavy curve. Okay, this is upside equal to positive and this is also upside equal to positive, downside equal to negative. You want a negative value or positive value? This is the negative, less than 0. Less than 0 means negative value. You want negative value means what is the part? This is also negative part, this is also negative part. Okay, x belongs to minus infinity open interval, comma 1 also open interval, union. Next 2 to 3, this is also open interval. This is also open interval. Next another question is less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means here in this case, this is 2 comma 3. This is also hollow circle. Next this is also hollow circle. Okay, this is the answer. This is the domain of the number line. Okay, understand this one. Next another one is question number 2. Question number 2 is x minus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. Okay, what is the x value? Here write x is equal to 2, comma x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 4. Okay, write the number line. This is the minus infinity, this is the plus infinity. Minus infinity, plus infinity. What is the least value? Least minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the minus 4. Minus 4, this is the minus 3, this is 2. Okay, draw the number line here to here. This is the number line. Okay, in this case less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means negative part. Negative part means this is the negative part, this is also negative part. This is the hollow, this is circle is equal thick circle, this is also thick circle, r equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, thick circle, less than or equal to. Okay, this is also thick circle means this is the positive, this is the positive, this is the negative. Minus 3 to 2 and minus 4 to minus infinity. Here in this case, this is thick circle. Thick circle means lies between. Thick circle means what is the thick circle? That is also, that number also included. 2 also included and minus 4 also included. X belongs to minus 4 closed interval, minus infinity open interval. open interval, union minus 3 to 2, minus 3 to 2, 2 also included, closed interval, next minus 3 also closed interval. Okay, this is the our answer. Okay, understand this one, closed interval and open interval. You have understand closed interval and open interval. Next one more problem number 3. Problem number 3 is x minus 5 into x minus 6 into x minus 7 greater than 0. Greater than 0 means what is the x values here? X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 7. Okay, draw the number line here. Draw the number line here. 5 here, 6 here, 7. Okay, draw the AB curve. This is the AB curve. This is the positive, this is negative, this is also positive. Okay, you want a positive value. Greater than 0 means positive value. Positive value means here r equal to not there here. R equal to not there. Only greater than 0 means here hollow curve, hollow circle. This is also hollow circle. What do you want here? Positive value. What is the positive value? 7 to plus infinity. This is also minus infinity. Okay, right. What is the positive value in this case? X belongs to open interval or closed interval. Here open interval 5 comma 6 union. Next another one equal to 7 to plus infinity, open interval and open interval. This is the our answer. Okay, next problem number 4. Okay, number of 4 values here. 4 x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. Okay, greater than r equal to 0. Greater than r equal to 0. What is the x values? 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, minus 2 comma 3 comma 4. What is the least value to highest value? This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Okay, plus infinity. Yeah, in this case minus 2 is the least value. Next 1, next 3, next 4. Okay, 4. Write the wavy curve. This is the wavy curve. Wavy curve. This is the positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. This is negative. This is also negative. Oh, what do you want? To positive value. You want a positive value. Okay. You want a positive value. What is the positive value? Positive part. Only positive part. Okay. Positive part is this is also upside, means positive value. This is also positive value. Okay, right here. What is the answer here? X belongs to minus 2 to minus infinity. Minus 2 to minus infinity. Open interval or closed interval? R equal to means this is the thick curve, thick circle. R equal to means this is the thick circle. This is the thick circle. Okay, R equal to means this is the thick circle. Means you have a positive value. Positive into minus 2 to minus infinity. Minus 2 to minus infinity. This is R equal to means this is closed interval. This is also open interval. Infinity always open interval. Next positive value equal to union. This is also closed interval 1 comma 3 closed interval. Next union closed interval 4 comma infinity. This is the our answer. Okay, understand? Thick. This is the R equal to and the positive value. Positive R equal to and positive value. This is the answer. Okay, right. X minus 1 into x plus 2 by x minus 3 into x plus 4 less than 0. Okay, in this case what is the x values? This is the equal to 0. X is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Next in this downside values are x is equal to 3 comma minus 4. Okay, all are right number line. This is the minus infinity, this is the plus infinity. Okay, minus infinity plus infinity. In this case minus 2 is the least value, minus 4 also least value. Here minus 2, here minus 4. Next highest value equal to 1, next highest value equal to 3. Okay, draw the number line. Draw the number line. Okay, this is the wavy curve. This is the positive, this is also positive, this is also positive. This is negative, this is also negative. What do you want? Negative value. Negative value means this is not equal to 0. Downside values are not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means this is not equal to 0 means not closed interval. Closed interval. R equal to not there, here not closed interval. Okay, what do you want here? Less than. Less than means negative value. Negative value means Euler curve. Negative value Euler curve. Next, this is also negative Euler curve. This is also whole curve. Whole circle. Sorry, whole circle. Whole circle means what is your answer? Okay, negative part is the answer. X belongs to open interval. Open interval -4 to -2. -4 to -2. Okay, open interval -4 comma -2 union. This is also negative part. Negative part means open interval 1 comma 3. This is the answer. Next, one more question. Question number 1 also is there. Another method 1 also is there. Next, second question. Here in this case, R equal to x minus 3 into x minus 4 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. In this case also negative values, and here thick circle. Okay, in this case x is equal to, what is the x value? X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4 and x is equal to -1 and x is equal to -2. X is equal to -2. Okay, x is equal to -2. Okay, draw the number line. This is a number line, plus infinity, this is minus infinity. Plus infinity and minus infinity. What is the least value? Equal to -2. This is the -1. This is the -1. Next one is equal to 3. Next one equal to 4. This is the less than or equal to. This is not equal to 0. Downside also not equal to 0. Okay, not equal to 0 means not a including part. Not a including part. Okay, right. What are the not including part? -1 and -2 not included. Okay, draw the number line. This is the number line. Okay, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. Okay, what do you want? Negative part only. Negative part means this is the negative. Negative part -2 -1. -2 -1. This is the Euler curve. Downside Euler curve. Okay, next another one is downside also is there here. That is the Euler curve. Not included. Okay, in this case -2 -1. Next, another one negative part equal to, this is the included. This is the thick circle. This is the thick circle means closed interval part. Thick circle means closed interval part. What is the solution? X belongs to -2 to -1 is open interval -2 comma -1 and union. This is the closed interval. This is open interval. This is the closed interval. 3 comma 4 also closed interval. This is the final answer. Less than and less than or equal to, and greater than and greater than or equal to. Okay, next okay, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus x plus 4 by x minus 6. Okay, x plus 5 greater than 0. In this case, write all are equal to 0. Right, first x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 2, x is equal to -4 and x is equal to, what is the x value? X is equal to 6 and x is equal to -5. And draw the number line. This is a number line alpha, this is minus alpha. Okay, this is the number line. What is the least value? -5. -4. Next 1 2 6. 1 2 and 6. Okay, 1 2 6. What are the downside? Downside also open interval only, greater than 0. Downside also open interval. Okay, R equal to means downside also open interval. Okay, greater than also open interval. Here no problem. Okay, this is the wavy curve. This is the positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. Okay, in this case, greater than 0 means does not lies between. Does not lies between. Does not lies between means what do you want? Greater than 0. Greater than 0. Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive value. Positive value. Where is the positive value? This is the positive value. Next, this is the positive value. Next, this is also positive value. Okay, x belongs to all are open interval. Okay, open interval -5 comma -4 union. Next, positive value. Okay, 1 comma 2. Next, positive value union 6 to plus infinity. This is the answer. Okay, next same like that question. X minus 2 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 by x plus 3 into x plus 1 into x plus 6 x plus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Okay, in this case all are equal to 0 means what are the x values? X is equal to 2 and 4 and 5 and x is equal to -3 and x is equal to -1 and x is equal to -6. Okay, draw the number line. Minus infinity, this is the plus infinity. Okay, minus infinity, what is the negative value? Least value equal to -6. Least value equal to -6. This is -3. Next one is -1. Next one is 2, 4, 5. 2, 4 and 5. Okay, draw the wavy curve. This is the wavy curve. Okay, in this case r equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0. Downside part not included. Okay, not included. Downside part not included means upside part also included. Okay, downside part -3. This is the -3 not included. Next -1 not included and -6 also not included. Okay, in this case what is the answer? X belongs to this is the positive values. This is positive. Next, this is also positive. Downside negative. Okay, in this case positive values. Okay, -3, -1, -6 not included. Remaining also included. Means this is not included. -3. Okay, whole curve. -3, -1 also whole curve. Next -6 also whole curve. Remaining. This is the thick circle. This is also thick circle. This is also thick circle. This is the whole curve means open interval. Thick curve means thick circle means closed interval. Okay, like x belongs to positive value equal to -6 to infinity. This is the hollow curve. -6 to -infinity. Open interval, union. Next, this is also positive value, hollow curve. Open interval -3 to -1. Hollow curve, open interval. Next, positive value 2, 4. Union 2, 4 means closed interval 2, 4. Next, union. Next one equal to 5 will also closed interval. 5 to infinity, open interval. This is our answer. Okay, question number 1. Next method. X minus 1 whole power 75. X minus 2 whole power 36. X minus 3 whole power 74 by x minus 5 or x plus 5 whole power 34. Next, x minus 4 whole power 50. Okay, this is less than 0. What is the value of this one? Okay, what is the x value? Okay, in this case even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers means curve does not changed. Even numbers means curve does not changed. Odd numbers means curve changed. Okay, odd numbers means before classes or before problems all are same. Power 1, power 1, power 1. That is the curve interchange, curve interchange. Next, this is even number means not interchange the curve. Okay, listen here. What is the x values? X is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 3, and x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to, x is equal to, x is equal to 4. These are right number line. This is the number line. Minus infinity. This is the plus infinity. Minus infinity, plus infinity. What is the least value? Minus 5. This is the minus 5. What is the next value? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, 4. Where is the 4? Here 4 is equal to here 4. 4. This is the first starting onwards. This is the positive. Power. What is the power? 50. 50 is even or odd? Even number. Even number means curve does not change. This is also positive. Next 3. What is where is the 3? Here 3. 3 also even number. This is also even number. Does not change. Okay, next 2. 2 also even number. This is also does not change. Plus. Next another one. 2 or 3. 3 plus. Okay. 2 also. 3 also. 3 also even number. This is minus 1. 1. Oh, this is a 75. 75 means this is the change in the curve. Next minus 5. Minus 5 is 34. 34 means this is also does not change. This is also negative. Okay, negative. This is positive. This is also positive. What do you want? Negative part only. What do you want here? Negative part only. Okay, negative part. What are the negative part? Minus 5 to infinity and minus 5 to infinity and minus 5 to 1. Minus 5 to 1 or 1 to minus infinity is the your answer. Okay, you're right. X belongs to minus infinity to minus 5. Open interval union minus 5 open interval 1 open interval. All are open interval only. Okay, this is the our answer. Okay, understand this one. Next one more question. X minus 2 into x plus 4 and x minus 3 and x plus 1 and x minus x plus 2 or x plus 2 x plus 6. Okay, this is less than or equal to 0. Right here less than or equal to 0. What are the values of x? X is equal to 2 and minus 4 and 3 minus 1 and minus 2 and comma minus 6. Power. What are the powers? You are right. You are 100. Next you are right 101. You are right 202. Next you are right 37. This is 5 power 5. This is 6. What are the even numbers and odd numbers? Okay, draw the number line. What is the least value? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 4. Here minus 4. Here minus 2. Here minus 1. Okay, next value is equal to totally 6 values. 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. Minus 6 also is there. Minus 6. Okay, last here minus 6 to infinity. This is the minus infinity. This is the plus infinity. Remaining values 2, 3. This is the 2. This is the 3. Okay, right. The here part equal to plus. Okay, plus onward start. This is the wavy curve. Okay, start wavy curve. Next 3. Where is the 3? This is 3. 3 is equal to 202. Does not change the curve. 202 does not change the curve. Next 2. Where is the 2? Here 2 is there. This is 100. 100 means even number. Does not change the curve. This is positive. This is positive. Okay, next one is minus 1. This is the minus 1. Odd number. Odd number means change the curve. This is the negative. Okay, next 2. Minus 2 means this one. This is also odd number. Change the curve. This is the positive. Okay, next one is minus 4. Minus 4 means upside. Minus 4. Here minus 4 means 101. This is the 101. 101 means odd number. Odd number means change the curve. Okay, next minus 6. minus 6, this is the minus 6, power even number. Okay, does not change the curve, does not change the curve. This is also negative. Okay, right. What is the answer here? X belongs to this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 6, hollow curve, hollow circle, minus 1, minus 2, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 6. These are hollow curve. Remaining are closed curve, closed circle. This is the closed circle, that is the hollow circle. This is the closed circle, Next, this is also closed circle. Okay, what is the answer? What is the your answer? Means X belongs to, what do you want? Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to means negative part. Negative part means minus 6 to infinity, open interval, minus 6 to minus infinity, open interval. Okay, negative part. This is also negative part, minus 6 to minus 4, union, minus 6 to minus 4. This is also minus 4 means closed interval. This is the closed interval. Next, union. This is also open interval, minus 2 to 1, minus 2, comma, minus 1, open interval. This is the our answer. Okay, understand? This is the advanced type questions. Okay, inequalities, very important. Okay, next, one more question. X minus 1 into x minus 2 into, okay, x minus 3 whole power 2026, 2025, 2024. Okay, by x plus 4 whole power 2022. Next, x minus 5 whole power 2020. Okay, this is greater than 0. What is the answer? Okay, right. What is the x values? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5. Write the number line. This is the minus infinity, this is the plus infinity. Okay, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 5. Okay, here negative value minus 4, 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, right here, first is, this is the wavy curve, positive 5. Where is the 5? Greater than 0. Where is the 5? This is the 5. 2020 means even number. Means positive. Next, 3. Where is the 3? 3 is equal to upside. Okay, upside means this is also even number. Okay, this is also positive. Next, 2. Where is the 2? 2 also upside. This is the odd number. Odd number means interchange the curve. Okay, this is the negative. Next, 1. 1 is equal to even number. Does not change the curve. Minus. Next, minus 4. Minus 4 is, where is the minus 4? 2022. Equal to, this is also does not change the curve. Okay, does not change the curve. This is also negative part. Okay, negative part, infinity, up to infinity. What do you want? Greater than 0. Greater than 0 means negative part. This is also all are hollow curves. Greater than means all are whole circle. All are whole circle. You want positive value. This is positive value, whole circle. This is positive value. Right, 2, 3, 5, so on up to infinity. Means here 2 to 3 and 3 to 5. 2 to 3 and 3 to 5. 2 to 3 and 3 to 5 means 2 to 5 right here. Okay, x belongs to, this is open interval 2 to 5, union 5 open interval to infinity. Okay, right. Or another way also, x belongs to 2 to infinity also right here. No problem. 2 to infinity, all are positive. 2 to infinity, all are positive. Okay, this understand the question. Okay, next question is, okay, here, next question number 4, x plus 1 whole power 2020 into x minus 3 whole power 2013, x minus 4 whole power 2014 by x plus 6 whole power 1000 and x minus 7 whole power 1111 greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Okay, in this case x is equal to minus 1, 3 and x is equal to, what is the x value? 4. Next x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7. Okay, draw the number line. This is the number line. Alpha, this is minus alpha. Alpha minus alpha. Okay, take it. X value equal to minus 1, negative part equal to minus 1 and minus 6. This is the minus 1. This is the minus 1. This is also minus 6. Okay, next part is 3, 4, 7. Here 3, this is 4, this is 7. Okay, 7. Okay, write the number line. This is the number line. Always positive onwards. Positive onwards. Okay, right. Here 7. Where is the 7? This is the downside. Downside means whole circle. Downside means whole circle. Whole circle, this is also odd number. Odd number means interchange. Interchange. This is the whole circle. Odd number, interchange. 4. 4 is equal to upside. Upside means here 2014. 2014 means even number. Even number means same. This is also negative. This is also negative. Next 3. 3 is equal to, this is also odd number. 2013. Odd number. Odd number means interchange. This is positive. Okay, next minus 1. Minus 1 also upside and even number. Even number means not change. Next minus 6. Minus 6 means downside. Downside and even number. Even number means not changed. Not changed. This is also positive. This is also positive. Negative, negative, positive. What do you want? Positive values. Positive values means here minus 1 to minus infinity is the positive values, and minus 1 to minus infinity means 6 is equal to hollow curve. This is the hollow circle. This is the hollow circle. This is the thick circle. This is the thick circle. Hollow curve and hollow circle and thick circle. Here what do you want? Greater than value. Greater than value means this is also positive. Positive means this is the 7 means this is the whole circle. Whole circle. Okay. What is the x belongs to? What is the answer? Here minus 1 to minus 1 to minus 6 hollow curve. Ante what is minus 1 to minus 6. Minus 6 equal to open interval. Minus 1 is closed interval. Next union minus 6 to infinity. Minus 60 is open interval. This is minus infinity. Minus infinity to minus 6. Union. Next minus 1 is the closed curve. Minus 1 is the closed minus 1 to 3. Minus 1 to 3 is the open interval. Union. This is open interval 7 comma infinity also open interval. This is the our answer. Okay, this is the wavy curve method. Okay, we have understand. Any problem? This is the IIT advanced and inequalities. One question compulsory in JEE mains problems. Okay, my name is Somaraj, mathematics faculty. Okay, more videos. You have subscribed my channel, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, thank you for all.